So what are we doing?
Going to see the resident marina owl.
Type of owl is it?
Barn owl. And I've seen him 3 times this week at about 7 o'clock in the morning.
Wow.
He's amazing.
Time's it now?
Or maybe she. Don't know what time it is. Nearly 7. Just seen the barn owl. He's amazing.
How many times have you seen him this week?
4 now.
Like every morning?
Yeah. Every morning at 7. You see him. I think he comes out of one of these buildings. Or she. Don't know if it's a girl or a boy.
Getting attacked by crows. What are we calling it?
Bernie, the barn owl.
Oh.
Hello! Welcome to this week's vlog. I hope you're all well. This week I am very excited because I have sold my first print to one of our lovely subscribers, Mary and Gary Taylor, in Hampton, United States of America, and they very kindly supported me and bought one of my prints, so I'm just packaging that up now, ready to send. Thank you so much. I am very, very grateful. I'm super impressed it's going all the way to America. Yes, so yeah, great week. We've been doing lots of walks, it's feeling very autumnal. It's lovely to get out and about in the autumn, I love it. Yeah. And we have been foraging. So our forage this week for hawthorns was very successful, and we attempted to make a hawthorn ketchup. Wasn't quite so successful because it ended up being like a syrup, but it still tastes very, very nice, and it's packed full of polyphenols which fight free radicals, apparently. I've only learnt that this week. So we've been collecting hawthorn berries to make hawthorn ketchup. We did originally want rose hips, but we haven't got any around here, so hawthorn it is. Let's hope it tastes nice. Oh, just short a kilo, 800 grams. So, yep, that's our hoard. We're making our ketchup, funky ketchup, for our Halloween weekend away. Yeah, we're going to eat lots of nice food.
So first thing to do is wash your berries. Then you need 300 millilitres of cider vinegar. So that's 500ml bottle, so we'll wing it. Then 300 mils of water. So then add your berries, try and remove as many stalks as possible. And then get that up to the boil and simmer. So I'm just going to sterilise the jar that we're going to be using for the ketchup. Now we're just waiting for it to boil up, simmer, and then the skins of the haws start to crack. So now we got to pour the contents through the sieve. So now add your sugar, 300 grams. And once that is dissolved, you need to bring it back to the boil and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until the mixture becomes syrup-like and reduced. And then we just got to season it and put it in our jar. I think that's all the sugar dissolved. Can't feel any of that graininess on the bottom of the pan. So put the heat up and keep stirring, bring it to the boil. So the recipe was actually called Hawthorn Berry ketchup, but what we've actually come out with and what they call it in the recipe description is a syrup. So it's a bit like cranberry sauce without the cranberries. Anyway, let's pour it out, see what you think. Taste test.
Where's the camera? There. Oh. Why is there no screen?
This is the old one.
Oh, why is it the other one?
Because I don't have any battery.
Oh. The all-important taste test. Lovely.
What does it remind you of?
Gigi's come for some. Like a spicy chutney. It's very nice.
So that's it for this week. Thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed the barn owl as much as I did. It's incredible. Such an amazing little bird. Beautiful to see. We've also got a couple of kestrels that have sort of taken over the fields. I managed to capture one on my way to work the other day. It's just to be surrounded by British raptors is just amazing. Anyway, so yeah, just goes to show you not all recipes will pan out as you hope. But the syrup, ketchup that we've now made with the hawthorns is pretty goddamn tasty. It's exactly like cranberry sauce, has that sweetness and that tartness. So we'll be using that on roast dinners and stuff. So it's not all a loss. And once again, thanks to Mary for being our first customer, official customer. You are going to help us to get on the waterways of Europe, which we cannot thank you enough for. So yeah, if you're interested in Shell's work, it's prints and cards and stuff, there is a range coming out. The first two prints are from a canal side material that's going to be coming out, a pattern. So yeah, anyway, follow her Etsy shop, link below. Peace, love yourself. Yeah, you. You can't expect anybody else to love you. if you don't love yourself?